Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to solve examples based on arithmetic progression. Practice set 3.1. Practice set 3.1. First question, which of the following sequences are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. First example 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So write down T1, T2, T3, T4. Solution. Here T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6, T4 is equal to 8, so on. So for AP, difference is equal or same. So here we find out the common difference. How to find out the common difference? T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Similarly, we calculate T3 minus T2. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. T4 minus T3. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Here, common difference, that is equal. D is equal to 2. Write down here common difference. D is equal to 2, which is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP, means arithmetic progression. Second example 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2, so on. In some textbook, this number is given 7 upon 3. You correct, that is 7 upon 2. Solution. Here T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 upon 2, T3 is equal to 3, T4 is equal to 7 upon 2, so on. So find out difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 upon 2 minus 2, that is 5 minus 4 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here one is fraction, one is integer, so we take 2 upon 1. Here common denominator 2. Here we multiply 2 by 1, therefore 5 is also multiplied by 1. Here denominator is 1, so we multiplied by 2, therefore numerator also 2. 2 into 2, 4. Is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. You have to know the subtraction of fractions. T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 upon 2 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 6 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here common difference D is 1 upon 2, which is constant. Write down here common difference D is equal to 1 upon 2, which is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. Third example, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, so on. Solution. Here T1 is equal to minus 10, T2 is equal to minus 6, T3 is equal to minus 2, T4 is equal to 2, so on. T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 6 minus minus 10 is equal to 4. Minus 6 plus 10, that is equal to plus 4. T3 minus T2 minus 2 minus minus 6. Minus 2 minus minus plus 6. That is answer is plus 4. T4 minus T3. 2 minus minus 2. That is 2 plus 2, 4. Here common difference D is equal to 4, which is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. Fourth example, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, so on. Solution. Here T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33, T3 is equal to 0.333, so on. T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3, that is equal to 0.03. T3 minus T2 is equal to 0.333 minus 0.33 is equal to 0.003. T3 minus T2 is not equal to T2 minus T1. Here the difference between two consecutive terms is not equal. Therefore, given sequence is not AP. Fifth example, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. Solution. Here T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 cancels, root 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus into bracket 3 plus root 2. Here we remove the bracket, therefore signs are changed. Minus 3 minus root 2. 3 cancels, 2 root 2 minus root 2. The answer is root 2. T4 minus T3 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus into bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. Here we solve the bracket. When removing the bracket, signs are changed. 3 cancels. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. The answer is root 2. Here, in all, the difference between two consecutive terms is the same. constant, that is root 2. Here the common difference d is equal to root 2, which is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. Second question, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. A and D is given, then write down the AP. A is equal to minus 7, D is equal to 1 upon 2. Solution. A means T1. T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7. Now how to find T2? T2 is equal to T1 plus D. Now substitute the value, minus 7 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 14 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 13 upon 2. T3 is equal to T2 plus D minus 13 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 13 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 12 upon 2. 2 1 za, 2 6 za is equal to minus 6. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to minus 6 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 12 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 11 upon 2. So, write down AP. Therefore, AP is equal to minus 7 minus 13 upon 2 minus 6 minus 11 upon 2, so on. This example we can solve by another method where we take value of D is equal to 0.5. Solution. T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7 and D is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. Here we convert fraction in terms of decimal fraction. T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to minus 7 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 6.5. T3 is equal to T2 plus D is equal to 6 minus 6.5 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 6. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to minus 6 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 5.5. Therefore, AP is equal to minus 7 minus 6.5 minus 6 minus 5.5, so on. Second example, A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to 3. Solution. T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1.25, T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3 is equal to plus 1.75. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. 1.75 plus 3 is equal to 4.75. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. 4.75 plus 3 is equal to 7.75. Therefore, AP is minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, 7.75, so on. Question number 3. Find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. Means given sequence is AP. So find out the first term and common difference. First example 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, so on. Now write down the solution. Here T1 is equal to 0.6, T2 is equal to 0.9, T3 is equal to 2.1, T4 is equal to 1.5, so on. First term, that is A is equal to T1 is equal to 0.6. Now here we calculate the common difference D. This is AP, means difference between any two consecutive term is the same. So therefore we calculate D, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. 0.9 minus 0.6, that is equal to 0.3. So here we complete the practice set 3.1. You solve the remaining examples from practice set 3.1. Thank you.